Hi, it's Kylee. You know, you might be feeling really small today, or you might be feeling really big. Either way, when we're together and we express ourselves through art, it's powerful. So what do you say? Will you join me? You will? Awesome. You know, it's gonna be okay. We're gonna make it. Come on.
Hi, it's me, Kylee. Welcome to my backyard. I was feeling way too big today to stay inside. Do you ever feel really just like big? Like some days I feel like small and quiet and just like, hello. But today I feel big and loud and like, hello. You know what I mean? What should we make today? Whatever it is, it has to be huge, like the size of a house. No, the size of a whole city. Let's make a city today. Wow, it's gonna be so ginormous. So we need to find a ginormous canvas. Do you have any ideas? What if for our big canvas, we used my driveway? I am so excited to start our city, aren't you? If you were planning your very own city, what would you put in it? That's amazing. Let's see, what would I put in mine? What will I put in mine? A library. Definitely. I love going to the library. And I even love when you bring your books back and you put them in that little book slot. Love that part. A mailbox, like a post office where you can put letters in, and a hospital in case anyone gets hurt, a store because you're probably going to need something. Oh, a park you could play at or have a picnic or fish. We could even have an ice cream truck. Wouldn't that be funny? I'm so excited. Let's start making some of the signs for the different things we're gonna have in our city. Hospital. Store. Library. Ice cream. Post office. Now I'm just gonna cut these out. And finish coloring them. We've picked our subject, we've picked our canvas, and now we need to pick the right materials. What do you think we could use to paint a big city on my driveway? Sidewalk chalk? That's what I was thinking. And look, I happen to have all the stuff to make it right here. We're gonna make sidewalk chalk and sidewalk paint together. This stuff is awesome and it's so easy. I'm gonna cover my whole driveway, and then if I ever need to wash it off, I can just spray it off with a hose. Awesome, right? Let's get making. The first thing we're gonna make is sidewalk paint. I'm gonna start with about 6 ounces of water. Now I'm going to add some food color to my water. Let's try blue first. Start with a little and then add more if you want your color to be a little darker. Next, we're gonna take cornstarch, which makes things thicker, and we're gonna slowly add it to the water, a little bit at a time. I'm gonna add some more. There we go. That's about how thick I want my paint. If you want yours thicker, add more. If you want yours thinner, add less. This is a fun thing to experiment with. You can make it at different thicknesses and thinnesses and then paint with all the different colors on your driveway or your sidewalk and figure out which you like better, thick or thin or somewhere in between. Let's make some sidewalk chalk now. The first thing we're gonna do is prep our mold. We want the sidewalk chalk to come right out once it's dry. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Vaseline, put it on the paper towel, just a little bit, and spread it inside of my mold. This will make it nice and slippery in there. Great. Now, time to mix up our sidewalk chalk. Let's add our dye. I think we should make yellow first. If you add a lot of food coloring, your colors will be brighter or more vibrant. If you don't add as much, they'll be more pastel and a little lighter. And then add your plaster of Paris. You're going to add 1 part water to 2 parts plaster of Paris. So if you do 2 scoops of plaster of Paris, you're gonna do 1 scoop of water. Once your plaster is all mixed up in your cup, it's gonna be pretty thick. Like, look, it doesn't even really drop off of this popsicle stick. That's good, that's how we want it. Now we're gonna pour it right into our mold. You wanna let this dry for about an hour before you pop it out of the molds. It should come out really easily. Then you wanna let it dry for about 24 hours before it'll be the best to use because it'll be all hard and dry and chalky. Do you wanna see some that I made yesterday? Okay, look. Here's some yellow sidewalk chalk that I made just like this yesterday. It's all ready to draw. Woo, woo. We have our materials. I'm gonna gather up all of the colors of sidewalk chalk that I have and all of the colors of sidewalk paint that I have and bring it out to our soon-to-be city. See you out there.
Ready? I am. First, I painted the roads. Then I colored them in. I painted a pond. And then started putting out my buildings. Time to add sidewalk chalk and more paint. Excited to put out the signs, the store, post office, library, hospital, and ice cream truck. Yes!
Welcome to Kylee Town. Would you like a tour? Come on. Do. Oh, the store. Were you needing anything today? Let's park. Now, what did you say you needed? Oh, some bread? Sure. Let me just cut you off a piece. Great. That will be $1. Oh, basketball. Kylee puts it up. It's good! I love playing sports, but sometimes I like to calm down with a good book, you know? Let's go to the library. Check this out. It's my favorite part. What's this in my pocket? Some mail to mail. Let's head to the post office. Oh, I should just put it in the mailbox. Thanks for mailing your letter. I'll get it right where it needs to go. We're here. Set it up. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Ow! Ow! Oh, I hurt my ankle. Oh no. Oh, we better go to the hospital. Come on. Oh. Yes, what seems to be the problem? My ankle. Oh, it turns out all I need is a Band-Aid. Good as new. Such a nice day. Let's go relax at the park. I love just sitting here by the water. You feel like catching a little fish with me? All right. Whew, such a nice sunny day, but I'm getting really warm. If only there was a place in Kylee Town to buy a nice, refreshing treat. Oh, there is. What kind of ice cream would you like today? Do you want a cone? And would you like some chocolate for the top? You need one more scoop, I can tell. Mint chocolate chip, my favorite. Here you go. Sure was nice having you in Kylee Town today. I really liked making it with you. And you know what? I feel like this art project was just as big as I was feeling earlier. I love it, and I think Dax is gonna love it too. Can't wait for him to get here. Do you love it? Yeah. You can ride your bike on the roads. Whoa.
What do you want?
Please, I would like a cone.
What kind of cone?
Chocolate.
Okay. Here's a chocolate cone.
Okay.
Here's some ice cream.
Yum, it's perfect. Delicious. Do you have any books about astronauts?
Yeah.
I would like, please, do you have any coffee?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, hot, hot.
What do you want now?
I want, do you have any fruit or vegetables?
No.
Oh.
I like Kylee Town.
Want to make more things together? Me too. Kylee. That's me. Search Kylee Makes It for lots of fun art videos. Also, parents and educators, go to KylieMakesIt.com. I have lots of things for you too. Like this video and subscribe.
One, 2 years. for you. Wait.